Hi everyone. So in this week's lecture, I learned about the importance of software engineering as a disciplined approach to building a software, not just coding. One of the key factors that stood out was that most of the project fails. According to the chaos report mentioned in our lecture slides, only about 30% of projects are successful. The rest either are incomplete or fail completely. This shows that writing code is not enough to for a project to be successful. It requires proper planning, analysis, and management. Another important concept I learned is that software engineering involves more than just technical skills. It includes teamwork, communication, project management, and understanding the user requirements. I also learned that requirements error are very costly. So, if we fail to define what the system should do at the beginning of starting the project, um, they can cause major problems later, and such problems are often identified as very costly. This highlights the importance of requirement elicitation and analysis, which is also a part of our group assignment. Um, the lecturer also introduced key success factors for projects such as user involvement, clear requirements, proper planning, strong management support. Additionally, I learned about the need for a disciplined development process, including using structured method, applying matrices to track progress, focusing on quality from the beginning. Another interesting part was the idea that people are key to success, not just tools or technologies. Good teamwork and communication are critical in software development. I can apply these skills directly to my group project in several ways. Firstly, I'll focus on clear and complete requirements. This means working closely with my teammates to understand the problem before starting to design or code. Secondly, I'll contribute to better communication and teamwork, ensuring that everyone understands their roles and responsibilities so that there is no any confusion while we do our project. Thirdly, I'll help with planning and organizing, such as breaking the project into smaller tasks and setting timelines so that we are not late in finishing the project. Fourth, I will apply a structured approach by following software engineering processes like analysis, design, and testing instead of jumping straight into coding. Finally, I'll focus on quality and continuous improvement, making sure we review our work and fix issues early. This will help us avoid problems at the end of the program. Overall, this week taught me that software engineering is about discipline, planning, and teamwork, not just programming. These skills will help me build a more successful and reliable software project for my assignments. Thank you.